Hi, welcome to Padai Planet. So we have got a question again from trigonometry, and that says sine theta plus cos theta is equal to root 3, right? So this is given as if sine theta plus cos theta is equal to square root 3, then we need to prove that tan theta plus cos theta is equal to 1. Now it's a very simple question. We'll start with what is given to us, and we will take that expression, and it says sine theta plus cos theta is equal to square root 3. We'll square both the sides and we will have something like this: sine theta plus cos theta whole squared is equal to square root 3 squared. And when we expand it, we get sine squared theta plus cos squared theta plus 2 sine theta cos theta is equal to, this becomes 3, very simple. Now here we can clearly see this is 1, sine squared theta plus cos squared theta. This whole thing is basically 1, correct? Now what I'll do is I'll take this 1 onto the right side, and finally we will have something like 2 sine theta cos theta is equal to 3 minus 1, which is 2. And finally, we will have sine theta cos theta is equal to 1, right? Now, what we will do is we will use this relationship. We will use this relationship to find the value of this expression, which has been asked in the question. Now, this particular variety of question, type of question, has been asked in many ways, and you will find these questions there in this course. And please do a good practice so that you can understand them carefully, properly, and they are really a frequently asked questions in exams. This is also a board exam question. I think this was in year 2020, right? Now, let's take this up the left side. So that is tan theta plus cot theta, and that's equal to sine theta plus over cos theta plus cos theta over sine theta. We will simplify these fractions. So this becomes sine theta cos theta. And on top, we get sine squared theta plus cos squared theta. Now, on top, we have nothing but 1. And even at the bottom, the denominator is already proven that sine theta cos theta is equal to 1. So we have this also as 1. Finally, the whole thing is equal to 1. Now, this is what exactly we had to prove, that tan theta plus cot theta is basically 1, right? So I hope you could understand this question. It was pretty simple, and we have done few more questions like this. I hope you liked, and you like the pattern also. It's very easy. First of all, you just start with what is given in the question, find out the value of some expression which is going to be used for the required expression, and then finally you'll get the value which is required there, right? So keep watching these videos. Thank you so much. Have a nice day and bye.